Brother, we have to celebrate here. To Kirizi,
yes.
Next Tuesday,
yes, ma'am.
Tuisobulango,
yes, ma'am.
Tuite mikwano gyaffe, tuite mikwano gyo, and we celebrate you. Nimbye, Paraso, kubakati bwona abakuba Bible yonna next Tuesday tuwe olukusa okutandika n'enkya ffe tutandika okuyita mikwano gyaffe and we celebrate the legendary Ragade. Okkiriza sebo?
No problem.
Akalulu!
Musozo.
Paraso sokeje.
Musozo ntaasiza daddy abadde anzita.
Naye ngera tannagenda tumuyimbiremu katono. Kwata microphone eri.
Tukkirize omuntu. Daddy abadde.
Ulira ono. Sise komao. Sise koma na kwadala. Oli akanyumira kire. Bona. Atani mongo na kulimba ya muzanyisa. Mama. Azana sema mulungi zanyisa muzanyisa. Balonja sengenda ndekelo. I want to thank everybody on behalf of everyone at the Federation. This is our long-term friend. She's called Lisa. She's called who? Lisa supports African music 1000%. She has the factory that has all the musical instruments that you see in Uganda. All the machines you see, we buy all those machines from her. And we want to work together with her to make sure that the music industry of Uganda is going to change 1000%. She is supporting us 100%. And I decided, we come here and we see what happens at the Federation on a Tuesday. You are really enjoying. Have you enjoyed yourself, Lisa?
I'm enjoying their singing. I think you Uganda also enjoy the singing, right?
Yeah!
We have a happy moment in Uganda!
Thank you! Mubututte naye gwe taata wange ne bongamba ngendeeka neba nsobola
Matuli.
Mario Matole Mubakande,
Ayashule.
Naita Nipanda Tangi Bajama Bereke, Morakasani Bamba Tumule,
Tabu Sabale. Awachi Matuli. White up in the open, Naga Bamba Chai, Ajazunga, 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 Ajazunga. Music, mom.
I feel music in my veins. I feel music in my blood flowing.